Good morning everyone. I hope you had a good yoga session and you are still enjoying the Shanti. There are many questions on the group. I have picked two for now, both going hand in hand. Niharika wants to know why you should not do Bhramari Kriya when you are angry. And Sonali is asking why I said pregnant women should avoid doing Bhramari. Well, Sonali, I didn't say pregnant women should avoid doing Bhramari Kriya. I said not until you learn it properly from me. From me is important because I see a lot of YouTube suggesting Bhramari for women, pregnant women especially. Well, definitely it is a good Kriya, but it's a sharpest tool available in yoga. It is the final tool. So you should be very careful when you handle this. I will elaborate. From the Om, the sound of creation, O, the sound of experience, and Ma, the sound of destruction. Remember your mother getting angry on you without words, that noise that she would make, and you would immediately obey. You will know what's going wrong, something wrong. This end sound, the sound, is the sound of destruction. Unless until you know what to destroy, you should not play with this tool. So all I am asking you is to practice the skills of handling this sword before getting into such intense kriyas. For now, we are all in KG classes, very basic. That is why we are doing the basic kriyas. Even someone is asking where the fingers should be, what chakras to be activated and what not. We will get there. For now, your learned knowledge is becoming an obstacle in your new learning. Please drop it for a while. Accept what I am offering you. What I am offering you is a very primitive form of yoga. When you are comfortable with this, evaluate your own knowledge with it, compare it, and practice what is right for your personal needs. So, doing Bhramari, why not to be done when we are angry? I want you to remember the Ramayana, the Mahabharata on the TV, of course. Remember how the rishis would throw a curse with their anger? What was the sound? That sound. So these guys, their curse worked so well because they knew how to throw the anger out. They would change destiny and whatnot they could do just with their curse because they mastered this tool to throw the anger out. How are we getting angry? We burn our own blood. Our heart rate rises. You start breathing with your chest. And that is how you are getting. You are not throwing any anger out. You are creating the toxins inside. Of course, you should know how to get angry. Yoga is not about all Om Shanti. Ask the Rishi Munis, the most angriest people. But they know how to handle their anger. They know where to throw it, when to throw it. Suppose you are an industrialist going to a factory and Om Shanti will not work there. Moderate anger, required anger. Okay, let's relate to this to everyone. Through the traffic you are passing by, a moderate anger is required. and you need to learn to throw this anger out, not get irritated and angry inside. All of us, we are getting angry inside. Certainly we don't know how to handle this tool, and hence I ask, this Bhramri, the sound of destruction, the ultimate of yoga that it has offered, we should be very careful while handling this, and hence I ask, let's start with the very basic. When we have done our asana sadhana, when we have done our pranayam sadhana, when the mind is calm, when we are not angry at anyone, we don't want to hurt anyone, that is when we practice Bhramri Kriya. Hence, such a simple sadhana, but I have not conducted it yet. After 6 weeks, I have chosen. I think now you are getting a little understanding of how we are going about this yoga, and hence now I am taking this risk to start intense yoga practices. Bhramri Kriya, please enjoy the humming. What you have to know very well is, do not think about your loved ones. There should be no thought. Just enjoy the humming, and if you must think, you should think that you are getting rid of the loose cells in your brain. Anything that does not belong, anything that's weak is getting destroyed. Very, very nice Kriya for brain related issues. Please practice this more regularly. Once again, let me remind you, not when you are irritated, not when you are angry. When you are complete shanti, after a good yoga class, after a good sadhana, please go ahead and practice this. This is a very, very powerful Kriya. I have chosen this first out of the total Om. In our next class, we will be focusing on the sound of creation, the A. Now, remember when a child is born, the only sound that he creates, that A sound, which does not come from the throat, it comes from the navel. I am preparing you for that. Be ready. In our next class, we will be doing the A sound, ultimately the complete Omkar. That's for now. If anything I have missed out, please point it out. I can elaborate more.